everybody, welcome to one of the Scarlet's Scar Reviews and Files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. I am going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to check out my Boxycharm unboxing, please stay tuned. Alright, so we got the Boxycharm unboxing. Before we get into it, so we have the unboxing. I believe this is for the month of July. It's the end of July. I'm sorry, but so this is July. This is Boxycharm's July's box. And okay, I'm sorry. And I'm going to be looking at the computer. So for only $21 a month, you get 4 to 5 full-size products worth over $100. You guys know I always put the value and everything towards the end and things of that nature. It includes like popular items such as MAC, ColourPop, Becca, CoverFS, It Cosmetics, Smashbox, and things of that sort. And you receive a box every month, and it automatically comes out of your account every month. And if you choose to stop it, you have to unsubscribe if you don't want to stop it. If you want to stop it. If you want to continue on. And that's just basically about that. So I like Boxycharm because the fact that you do get full-size products and you get quality, nice products that, that are, more expensive than the average, whatever, a drugstore product. So they give you those types of deals. And I think that's pretty cool. And it's only $21 a month. I said I was going to cancel it probably the end of this year. So we shall see how I feel. But I like getting these items because I do use them. I don't use all of them, but I do use some of them as far as like the mascaras and things of that sort. So yes, I do have fun in this makeup. So it's not just I'm just getting them because these eyelashes was from, I believe, last month's Boxycharm. So yes, I do use the items. Okay, all right, so this is the Boxycharm here. So I hope I said everything that I was supposed to. If not, I definitely will annotate it in the video. And we're going to open this real quick. Okay, unboxing. Hello, Charm. Okay, so here's the Boxycharm. Here we go, and I'm gonna read the postcard later. All right, okay, now we're gonna open it, and voila, magic. All right, so we're gonna get up close because you guys know that's how I do. So boop. Okay, so here we go. We are close. All right, so we have a vitamin C mask. I don't know. It says bright on. Yeah, so I don't know what this is. A vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup impurities to visibly improve the appearance of skin texture and tone. It says brighten. I don't want to brighten my skin, so I'm scared to use this. So I don't know. I'm gonna ask my sister if she wanna have this because she light skin. So, but but yeah, it's basically about that. So I don't know about this, y'all, but yeah. So yeah, this is So there we go. All right. So ooh, we got Unlashed Wonder Beauty Volume Curl Mascara. This is mascara. This looked like a lipstick. Yo. Okay, there we go, y'all. This looks like a lipstick, y'all. Like it looks like a lipstick. This is cool. I never saw a mascara like this. Look at this. This is from Wonder. Okay, I have like mad mascaras. It's not even funny. I'm never gonna run out of mascaras, y'all. Never. All right, so and here we go. Go. It says tantalizing taupe eyebrow cream. What is it? What does it do? All right, this is the brush. All right, and then the cream. Oh, there's something on the inside here, so I guess you dip it in here. This is weird. It's Cella. I don't know. Might give this to my mom. Okay. Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Oh, it has argan oil in it. All right, so we're going to open this. It's by Nape. So we're opening it. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay. I'm like, what is in here? Okay, it comes with a little brush and it's a mirror, as you guys can see here. So this is a nice little pale blush. I was about to say brush. All right, this is Desert Rose Note 5. Desert Rose. Let's do a little swatch. Swatch it out. That's what it looks like. Let me do. I don't think I'm that close. Oh, yeah. There we go, yo. All right, so comes in this nice little packet. Has a mirror, notes. Oh, very nice and sleek. I like this. Okay. All right, and it comes with a little brush here. Okay, so we got how many palettes? How many palettes can one have? Oh, Lord. Not, it don't matter, okay? You can have like 50, 100 palettes, okay? 50, 100, you know, 1,000,000 palettes. You still need more. That's just me. Anyway, I digress. Crown, bam, there we go. So it looks like we're gonna be doing some swatches. So hold on. Oh Jesus, okay. What the heck? Okay. I had to get my nail file to open it. Ooh, snaps. Let's see what kind of... I had a feeling... Alright. There you go. I had a feeling it was these kind of colors. But I like this. This is a nice natural color. So here we go, yeah. So we are going to swatch. Okay? So we're going to swatch. It's a little scratch right there. That's okay. But we're going to start with this light color. This will be like for the brow bone. So here we go with here. Boom. It's not that pigmented. It's like kind of light here. Okay, we're going to go for the next color. These are very light. Oh, that looks good. That was pretty good. Okay, that one. Oh, that looks nice too. All right, that was this first row here. Starting with this first row here. Now we're gonna go starting with the bottom row. Ooh, I like that one. That's nice. Can't really see that one. That one's, ooh, I like that one. Okay. And we got a brown one. That's nice. And the last one, we'll put it here. Oh, that's nice too. Oh, let me find out. I'm about to use a makeup look with the Crown palette. Okay. I like that this one. This was very nice right here. I like that one. The bottom one was pretty appealing to me. The top two, like this one, I like the brown, like these two. I think I like this one. Okay, Crown, I see you. Bam, there we go. All right, so let's get into the damage, shall we? All right, so now we're going to get into the damage. So they have Wonder, Coupon, 20% off, and Pharmacy, 20% off, okay? All right, so this is Road Trippin', okay? And the Pharmacy Beauty Bright On Mask. It says, what magic happened as you massage this vitamin C clay mask onto your skin, turning from purple to green? Oh, no. The Pharmacy Bright On Mask removes impurities and buildup while improving your skin's brightness, texture, and tone. It is $38. $38. All right, the Crown Brush, okay? The palette that I just showed you last. Fuego eyeshadow collection made up of rich warm tone shades. This creamy high pigmented, yeah, it's pretty good. Palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals, pound goals, hashtag goals. All right, this is $30, $29.99. Okay, Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, and strengthens and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients, which is $24. And I can't wait to use this. And I like the packaging. The packaging is bomb. This look, come on now. And it's very nice and compact. Like, come on now. I can't wait to use this. I'm so souped. I'm putting this right in my everyday thing right there. No Cosmetics, which was the blush that I showed you. Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Sorry. Designed to work for all skin types. This luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact 3-in-1 treat perfect for the charmer on the go. Ha! All right, this came out to $11.99. I think I told you Wonder Beauty was $24. I'm sorry about that. I had to back it on up. The last item here is Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with this creamy consistency. The built-in brush, the velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. $26. Okay, so yeah, so this is what it is right here. I'm going to put the total value in the video. I'm gonna annotate it somewhere, but yeah, so I really like the palette. I'm gonna be using the palette and the mascara. The blush looks nice too, and I don't know about the mask, but I may give it to my sister. And the Chella Beauty eyebrow cream, I don't know, I may give it to my mother. I'll see, but I'll probably try it first to see what's going on. Okay, so I really like this a lot. Boxycharm is really cool. I don't know if I'm gonna give it up in December. I just like the items because I really do use the items. I don't use all of them, but I try to use it as much as I can. Okay, so that's just basically it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and that is Boxycharm for you. And I hope you enjoy my July unboxing. Please have a wonderful, blessed day, blessed time when you're watching this. And you have any questions, comments, this and that. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.